Installing an M.2 drive. Use a flat blade screwdriver to adjust the standoff on the M.2 backplane to accommodate the particular size of M.2 drive you wish to install. Insert the M.2 drive at an angle of approximately 45 degrees into the connector. Press the M.2 drive down to align the screw hole with the standoff. Fasten the screw and make sure that the M.2 drive is secured in place. Slide the cage into the chassis. Fasten the screw and make sure that the cage is secured in place. Connect the cables routed through the clips on the M.2 cage. Install the air baffle. Install the riser 2 assembly. Install the riser 1 assembly. Install the rear top cover.